dangerous mission. They might not come back. Okay, you're gone. Alright, X is the low. Okay. Alright, let's take him out. Let's go, go, go.
Going after this one.
Alright, I see it. Oh! We hit one, we hit one. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, we're going for that one, bet.
Oh! It's evasive maneuvering. Oh!
I play Ace Combat, you can't escape me! Let's go! Alright, we have one more.
Over here?
Whoa! 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 These air brakes are crazy! The air brakes on this plane parking something from 100 to 0 in just like 2 seconds.
Oh wait, why am I launching my phone?
No! God! No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Oh!
Did you get it?
I crashed it. Oh, I see, I see.
I don't know where it's going. Oh, dude, this is. Oh my goodness. Dude, it's evasive maneuver. This one's hard.
I play Ace Combat. I've played all the boss missions. Ah! Ah! Is it down?
I think it's flying. It's going down. It's crashing down. And it's crashed down.
All right, let's go land. Let's land. Alright. Okay. So, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah. You don't have to. There's nothing really that cool about the ceiling.
Yeah! Yeah!
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Just making sure the guys are working on the plane. Okay.
Right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
This is great.